Good afternoon. This is Brent Crandall with the Blind Depot. We're out here in Allen, Texas today, and it's hot. It's July 1st. My wife gets on me for posting these videos that are all the same, but I do want to show you something here today that's a little bit more unique. So these are universal motion screens, and if you follow our channel, you've seen these videos before. We're screening off this porch using a Suntex 90 material. These are east-facing windows, or east-facing openings. They don't get a ton of afternoon sun. The morning sun's a little bit brutal. But here's the fun thing that we did with these. So, and I hope Sean is watching this. He's the owner of Universal Screens. We repurposed a track. So these pockets that you're seeing here, these are actually made to recess into the brick. What we've done here is just attached them to the outside, and it creates a super seamless look up on the inside all the way down. No more clunky L's. So we're really happy with the way this turned out. As you can see, when you get back up under on the underside, we've got a pretty large openings here. I'm going to come back outside here because they have music playing on the inside of that porch, and I don't want to get a copyright infringement. So these are all operating with Somfy motors with a single remote control. This guy right here. So it's blue, so that when they build the pool out here, it's actually waterproof with the gaskets. So these openings are pretty large. They're about 14 feet tall, and that one's 19 feet wide. The one to the right's only about 6. But we think it's a really nice look. If you'd like us to do something like this for your home, you can give us a call. Our phone number is 972-644-9411. Or you can reach us on our website. Hit us up there. It's blinddepotdfw.com. And if you don't know what the DFW stands for, you are out of our service area. We're going to go see if we can get into the shade a little bit. And y'all have a great day and give us a buzz. Thanks.